First, you want to install your static cling. Make sure you clean the surface area well and it's dry. Then we go ahead and peel this off. It's a detachable design for portability. Next, we're going to go ahead and install your 12-volt plug adapter. I hid it under the headliner here. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. And use the included trim tool to just hide the wires and tuck it in nicely. Tuck the wires in from the headliner all the way down to the pillar, under the glove box, and to your cigarette port. Then we go ahead and mount our rear dash cam. Then we use our extended cable and connect it to the front. Then we connect our rear cam to the rear camera port.